Namaste, children. Children, in last class, area of the rectangle, area of the square, we have discussed already what is meant by area, what are the formulas of area. So this concept already we have learned. Okay. So now and also some points has to be learned. So which are the points has to be learned to find the cost painting or tiling cost or painting cost. Okay, that type of points has to be. So what is the cost of the painting or cost of the tiling formula? Area into, what is that area? Area into cost per square unit. Cost per square unit, what is the meter or centimeter, whatever it give me. So you have to find the formula. First what we do, find out the area, which type of angle, so shape has to be given. First we have to find out the area, then as given, cost has to be given. So we can multiply the area on the cost, we get the cost of the painting or cost of the tiling. Okay, so then another one, find the number of bricks or tiles. Number of bricks or tiles, so we can find out the area of the wall or area of the brick. Area of the wall and area of the brick, how many bricks are there in the wall, we can easily find out. So this is the these are the formulas we have discussed. Then using these formulas, find out the answers. So in the exercise fourth one question. So that question is there. What will be labor charge? What will be the labor charge? Labor charge means it is a cost. Charge means what is the charge? Charge ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So charge means amount. So find out the amount. Labor charge for tiling a hall. One hall is there. Tiling hall. That hall is 22-meter length. 22-meter length. So this is the length. 22-meter length. So what is the breadth? So and 17-meter wide. 17-meter wide. 17-meter wide. Okay, this is how much? 17-meter wide. 17-meter. So this is a 22-meter. Opposite sides are equal in the rectangle. So when the length and breadth has to be given, it is considered for rectangle. So it is the shape of the hall. So, okay, so and then, so at the rate of one, at the rate of ಒಂದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 1 square meter ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 1 square meter equals to how much? 8 rupees per square meter. 8 rupees per 1 square meter cost ಇದೆ. So first when square meter will come, so it is considered for the, what is it, it is considered for area. Keep in the mind, square meter is there, it is considered for area. So now what we do, first find out the area of the rectangle. So area of the hall is, what is the shape? Hall is rectangle shape. So first we have to find out. So using the formula, cost of the tiling or painting equals to cost of the hall. Tiling hall, tiling a hall, cost of tiling, okay, equals to, find out the area. Okay, area of the hall. So we can first length equals to 22-meter. Breadth means wide. Breadth means 17-meter. Then area of the hall, area of the tiling, area of the hall. So what is the formula? L into B. So because it is a rectangle shape, so L is what? 22-meter into 17-meter. So first then multiply here, 22 into 17. 22 into 17. Okay, 17 to the 34, 3 carry, 17 to 34, 34 plus 3, 37. 374 square meter. This is the area of the hall. Okay, so then we can find out the cost. Okay, so cost is given. Okay, at the rate of, so now we can find out here at the rate of, so we have at the rate of is what? 8 rupees per square meter. 8 rupees per square meter. So this is the given. So now we can find out the answer. So area, so cost of the tiling, cost of the tiling, cost of tiling equals to, so what is it? Area into, so cost per square unit, cost per square unit, cost per square unit. So what is it? Area is what? Area is 374 square meter into, okay, so then what is the cost? 8 rupees, 8 rupees, 8 rupees per square unit, square meter. So this square meter has to be cancelled. So remaining, so it is multiply 374 into 8, 374. So okay, don't use that cancellation. So we can using directly write the answer. Okay, 374 area, 374 8 rupees. So multiply into 8, 8 4 32, 3 carry, 8 3 the 8 7 the 8, sorry, 8 4 32, 3 carry, 8 7 the 56, 56 plus 3 59, 3 carry, 8 3 24, 24 plus 3 27. So okay, so once again I will check it. 8 4 to 32, 3 carry, 8 7 to 56, 56 plus 3, sorry 5 carry. Okay, 8 3 24, 24 plus 5 29, 2992. That is the cost of the tiling. So this is the answer. First we can find out which is the, so which shape is it is there. First we can check it, then we can take to the side or length and breadth in the rectangle. So then we can find out the area, then multiply using the formula. This is the formula we have to apply and then find out the answer. So this is the way to solve the problems. Okay, I will go for fifth one question. Okay, so now I hope all of you understand. So you have to write in the CW. Okay students, it is the fifth one question. Okay, so using the formulas. So what about you give the notes? Okay, so here understand the question. How many slabs of cement? How many slabs? Slabs means bricks ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂಥರ ಇಟಿಗೆ ತರ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತರ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಟೈಲ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸು, ಟೈಲ್ಸು, ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸು ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಂದೇ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ platform and area of the cement slab. So we can take the area, both the area, then divide it, we get the answer how many slabs we have to record. So first we can observe the question. How many slabs of cement, how many slabs of cement are required to tile a platform of length 8 meter, breadth 6 meter? Okay, this is the platform length. So okay, area of the platform. So first we can take into length, platform, answer, platform. Here next one, cement slab, then both the cement slab and platform. So here length of the platform, is how much? 8 meter. This is a given. Breadth of the platform is 6 meter. Okay, so this is the this is length and breadth is, it is a rectangle shape. It is a rectangle shape. A, B, C, D. So 8 meter. So it is 6 meter. Okay, opposite sides also equal, 8 meter and 6 meter. Then so here cement slab cement slab. This is the cement slab. Okay, this is a cement slab. Cement slab. Okay, this is the length of the cement slab is what? So length of the cement slab is 4 meter. Then breadth is 3 meter. 3, sorry, 3 centimeter. Breadth of the 3 centimeter and length is so wait 3 meter or 3 centimeter. Okay, now centimeter has to be converted to meter. Okay, so now it is then it is when it is very easy. So it is meter to centimeter first. Both the cement slab and here. So first we can take to length. Length. So length is 4 centimeter. Next, sorry, 4 centimeter. Then breadth is breadth is uh, breadth equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, so now we can find out the answer. So this one has to be find out the area, this one has to be find out the area. Then we can both the divide. Okay, we get the how many cement slab we have, how many cement slab has to be required. So now I will take to the just one question has to be taken. Okay students, now here different units are there. Here meter, here centimeter, here meter and here centimeter. So what we do, both the cement slab and platform, both the units are same. We can find out the answers easily. Okay, so here meter, here centimeter. So when here meter is there, we can convert it to centimeter. Okay, value is there. So 8 meter, so 8 into 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 800 centimeter. Then breadth equal to 600 centimeter. 600 centimeter. 600 centimeter. Find out the area. Area of platform. Area of the platform equals to area of the platform is how much? L into B. L into B. Okay. So now L into B is what? 800 centimeter into 600 centimeter equals to how many? So then 6 8 to 48. Two zeros. Four zeros. Here two zeros. Here two zeros. 4,80,000 square meter. Square centimeter. Square centimeter. Then so we can find out the this one area. Area of the cement slab. Area of the cement slab. Cement slab equals to how much? So L into B formula. L is 4 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. 12 centimeter. 12 square centimeter. Okay, so we have got the answer. So this area we have to got it. Then what we do next step, so we can find out the answer. Okay, okay, you have to write downside. Continue. Okay, so the formula is number of cement slab equals to number of cement slab equals to, okay, area of the platform, area of the platform, area of the cement slab. Cement slab. Okay, area of the platform is 4,80,000 divided by, so how much? Square centimeter. Okay, then So 12 square centimeter can. So these are the cancels. Okay. Then how many square uh, cement slabs? So 4, 12 on the 12 for the 12 for the 48. So how many? 40,000 cement slabs required. Required slabs required. This is the answer. So okay, so first what we do, find out the area of the platform and area of the cement slab. Then we can both the divide number of the cement slab equals to area of the platform divided by area of the cement slab, can be divided, we get the answer. Okay, 12 on the 12 40, 12 for the 48. Okay, so you can using for the formula. Okay, so this is a very easy simple. So we can find out, so it can be divided easily, it can be divided. 12 for the 48. Okay, easily find out, can be divided. So how many 40,000 slabs can be required? Okay, so this is the answer. So fourth one, fifth one I have solved in the so remaining sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, I will go for the solve for the next class. Okay, students, you have to solve two questions. Okay, fourth one, fifth one, remaining sixth one, seventh one, I have to solve in the next class. Okay, thank you, students. Then what you have to watch the video and then what I write in the board, so that write in the CW. Okay, thank you.